Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. So let's start. First thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app, and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen you have to click on this crypto wallet. After you do that, you will be able to open up your crypto wallet where you can see the cryptocurrency that you currently have in your account. Now from here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. I'm going to transfer USDT, so I will just select the USDT from here. Then from this window you have to click on this withdraw button. Then another window will pop up. From here you have to click on this external wallet option. Then on the screen you have to click on this link add wallet address, or you can also click on this plus icon at the top of your screen. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the USDT option from here. So if you don't find USDT in this list, you can use this search bar to find for your cryptocurrency. Then on the screen, you have to select the network. So just make sure you have selected the network that you want to use. And then you just have to paste the USDT wallet address from Tangem wallet. So just open up your Tangem wallet. And then first we have to enable the USDT in our wallet. So just click on this three dot menu at the top of your screen. Then from this screen you have to click on this wallet. Now you have to click on this option manage token, and from this crypto list of cryptocurrencies you have to select your cryptocurrency that you want to receive in your Tangem wallet. You can use this search bar to search for, so I will just type USDT in the search bar, and from here just click on it USDT. And after that you have to enable the network that you want to use to receive your cryptocurrency. So just click on this toggle option right next to your network that you want to use. And once you have enabled the network, click on save button, and then go back to the home page of your Tangem wallet, and then USDT or your selected cryptocurrency will appear here. So just click on the cryptocurrency from here, and then you will find this receive button. So just click on it, and then you will be able to get your wallet address for your selected cryptocurrency. Then you just have to click on copy button at the bottom of your screen. Then open up your crypto wallet app again, and then paste the wallet address in this area, and then enter the wallet name, and then click on continue. Then you have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address that you have added. Then it might show you this screen, so simply click on confirm and withdraw. Then enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw. Then it will ask you to confirm this withdrawal, so just make sure you are sending the correct amount and the wallet address is correct, and make sure that network type is match in both of your crypto.com and your Tangem wallet, because if this doesn't match, your cryptocurrency will be lost forever. So you just have to make sure that the crypto network is same in both of this app, and then click on this confirm button. And then you may need to enter your passcode, so enter it, and that's it. Your cryptocurrency will be transferred from crypto.com to your Tangem wallet.